Hey everybody, it's Cellular Chloe with the LG Octane. Of course, I'm from Wireless Zone, and I'm going to go over a couple of features of this. I think I'll show you some ringtones, but before I do that, I want to just mention a couple things. The reason why my nails are pink this month is for breast cancer awareness. I'm a strong supporter of the Susan G. Komen Foundation, or For the Cure, and so I did my nails in pink along with a pink ribbon. So I just thought I'd let you know why I did that. And I'll also like to tell you that you'll be getting a lot of videos out of me today because my boss made me a big cup of coffee. I don't know if you can tell that, but this is a really big mug and it's full of coffee, so I guess I'll be making a lot of videos today. Okay, moving right along. So let's just look at, or listen to I should say, the ringtones on the LG Octane. Okay, so low beep. These also have alerts, so it's not just ringtones but also alerts for like text messages or email. So low beep once, low beeps, loud beep once, loud beeps, bright, bubble, chime, cuckoo, pop, doorbell, VZW default tone, bubble ring, cricket, simple beep, simple beep 2, vintage telephone, jazz tone, recollection, allure, you're gonna like this one, worn out, they've really improved on ringtones on phones. Kicking off, I thought that was going to sound like the beginning of a baseball or football or something game with the whole kicking off thing. Illusion. Summer breeze. Laguna Beach. Morning bird, Kingston dream, fever, okay, this next one is kind of annoying. Good morning. You know that person at work that's annoyingly chipper in the morning? That's kind of what that reminds me of. Spark. Kind of sounds like a mix of two rings. Ukulele. And no ring. So those are your ringtones, and so very quickly, since I have a minute here, I'll go over the animations, which I should have done in the first video, but so I'm going to go to display settings and wallpaper and internal wallpaper. The external wallpaper doesn't have the fun animations, and here we go. So we've got nature. It's It's got giraffes and elephants and horses and stuff walking. Birds. Changes color. Nighttime. Fall. Goes through everything, all the seasons, all the animals. And then we have Jewel. Again, changes colors, has different shapes and stuff. So then those are your fun animations. And again, the fun animations can't be used on the front screen. That just will accept the static wallpaper. So those are your animations wallpaper and your ringtones on the LG Octane.